Hi students, welcome back. Today we will see some of the C programs. So here I'm using IDE code blocks to write the C programs. So the first program I'm going to write in this IDE was to find the factorial of a number. So what the program I had to write? Write a C program to find the factorial of a given number by using code blocks. Let's say by using code blocks IDE. Okay, so let's open the code block. So whatever the IDE you want, you can select that based on your interest. So here I am using this code blocks. So now I want to write a program here. So first of all, if you want to write if you don't have any project up to now, you didn't create it, just go for create a new project or open an existing project. So already some folders I created, so just open programs. So there I need to give the title of my program. Let us take the factorial. So it should be in the workspace. Let's take the file, go to new file, select the C++ source, select the C language because I want to write my program in the C language, and select the full path. So this is in the programs. I want to take it as a factorial. So this is a factorial, but the file name factorial, it was created. Now write the program, hash include stdio dot h and write void main. So first I am taking variables integer data type int n I, and I'm initializing the factorial to 1, the fact variable to 1. So now write printf. So here in this code blocks you no need to write the clr function. Enter any number. So whatever the number you want, you just enter that number, semicolon. You have to read that number from the keyboard, so that's why you had to write the scanf, and it should be %d because I had using the data type as an integer. So the address of that variable. So here I am writing the for loop. So for what I have to need to calculate the factorial of number. So if I take any number, suppose if I take the 3 as a number, n is equal to 3, that means you have to write the for loop as I is equal to n, means now I becomes 3. I is equal to 3, I greater than or equal to 1 up to the 3 has to be decremented, I minus minus. I minus minus. So this is a for loop. So I'll tell the logic, don't be confused. So now here I am writing the fact is equal to fact star I. So exit from the for loop, and here you need to write the printf. So print that factorial variable, that is the result. Factorial is equal to %d, sorry, comma, fact variable, semicolon, get ch. So here what I have written, I have written suppose if I take any number as n is equal to 3, suppose if I take 2, let us take 2, I is equal to 2, 2 less greater than or equal to 1, okay, it's true, okay, and 2 has to decrement it to 1. So now fact is equal to fact, the starting I declared initialize fact as 1, so 1 into 2, 2. So next time it is decremented, and now I becomes 1 and the fact becomes 2, 2 into 1, okay. So the factorial of it's a any number that is a 2 means 2 into 1. 2 is a factorial of that 2. So let's see the output. First build to check whether the errors are there. Okay, no errors. Now execute the program, run, asking the number. So let me enter 2 only. So whenever I enter 2, the value you will get, the factorial is 2. Again run the program. So this time I am entering the number n as 5. So the factorial of 5 is 120. That means 5 into 4 into 2 into 1. So this is how you are going to calculate the factorial of a given number. Thank you.